In the previous video, we followed Vite as it transformed our source code into a production-ready application. Rollup bundled our modules, generated optimized chunks. Story didn't end there. Another production build is complete. Everything looks ready for deployment. Before any bundle leaves the factory, every module is carefully inspected. Wait, why is an unused module inside the final bundle? Every extra module increases the size of the application.
But was this module ever needed?
Every module should have a purpose.
But this one isn't connected to application actually uses. If this module isn't needed, why is it still here?
Let's find out. Welcome to the tree shaking department. This is where every module is inspected.
People think I delete unused code. That's not my first job.
Huh. Wait, that's not what you do first? Every investigation begins from one place, the entry point. I don't guess.
I simply follow every import.
So it's tracing real connections, not assuming anything. They form the dependency graph. That's the whole app.
Notice something. I never execute your code. I only read it.
So it's reading, not running. Only one export is actually used. The others aren't referenced anywhere. I don't remove code yet. I simply mark what is safe to remove. Whoa, wait, it's still all there?
If nothing has been deleted, that's the next department. Let's go see it.
Let's go see it. Now that every export has been analyzed, it's time to remove what's no longer needed. This is the part everyone's been waiting for. This function is never imported. Nothing depends on it. Removing it changes nothing. Only the code your application actually needs remains. Not everything that's unused can be removed. Even if nobody imports this, removing it would change how your application behaves. So it's not about whether it's imported, it's about whether it does something.
Tree shaking only removes code that's proven to be safe.
Which function is actually being used? I can't tell. Why not? It's right there in the code. Dynamic code hides information from static analysis. If I can't understand it, I can't safely remove it. So this is where it just gives up. Tree shaking doesn't make your application smarter. It simply removes code your users will never execute. Smaller, faster, and still exactly correct.
Removing code is only half the story. Now we need to decide how to package what's left.
Let's find out what that means. Tree shaking has already removed everything unnecessary. So why are there still multiple bundles? Couldn't we just ship everything together?
I think that's a no.
Oh.
We could, But why should every user download everything? Most users only visit a small part of your application.
So, most of that container was dead weight for this user specifically.
Notice, nothing was removed. Everything is still here.
Right. This isn't like the furnace. Nothing's gone, just organized differently.
This tells Rollup, don't include this in the main shipment.
So that one line of code is the whole trigger. Whole trigger.
When the application first loads, the browser only downloads what's immediately required.
The browser requests another chunk. And that's code splitting. Deliver only what's needed, exactly when it's needed. Let's bring everything together, from source code to a production-ready application. Tree shaking removes code your users will never execute. Code splitting keeps the remaining code and delivers it only when it's needed. Smaller bundles, smarter downloads. That's how modern web applications stay fast.
These bundles look identical, so why do I have to download this again?
I hope this video helped you understand how tree shaking and code splitting work, but why they matter in internals, where we don't just build applications. See you in the next step in the next episode.